I came across two apps making two very interesting promises, but I'm not going to tell you if they work yet. The one is claiming to offer free data for internet connection, while the other is claiming to provide a free internet connection. So today I'm putting these two apps into test. I will explore how they work, compare what they offer, and see if they actually deliver on their promises, or if there is more to them meets the eyes. And before you trust either of these apps, let's really find out what happened when we test them for ourselves. Quick declaration: no hype, no assumption, no guaranteed results. Just a test to see what these two apps can actually offer. If you are seeing this face for the first time, I am Junior MJ. On this channel, I review apps, websites, smartphone and their features, and also guide people through different tech tips. Now, without wasting time, let's get started. These are the two apps. This is the first app, free internet, and the second app is daily internet data. Now, these are the two apps we are about to put to test to see whether if they can actually deliver according to the promise. Now, let's try the first app, which is the free internet. Now, tap on the free internet. It's easy. You can actually find this app on your Play Store if you're using an Android phone, or on your App Store if you're using an iOS device. Yes, they are very easy to get. Now, tap on login and select your email. Just select an email so that we can create an account. I think you need to create an account first before gaining full access to the app. I have never used any of this app. That's why we are doing a live test so that we all can see what will be the results. Yes, either to trust the app or not. Now, they're asking for a phone number. Let me just insert my phone number. Tap on done. After inserting your phone number, what you will see is you are eligible to receive internet access. Your free data will be activated simply on your what number. This is the phone number I provided. We have 60 days, all network, instant claim. Now we just see they provided 100 GB, which is 100 gigabytes. Now the validity is 60 days. Data type is all network, than the phone number I provided. Now tap on claim. Claim now. Let's see what will be the result. Tap on claim, rate the app, start free trial, invite 10 friends. These are the tasks I need to complete before claiming the 100 GB. For real? Now let's try, because we are here to actually test to see whether they're actually working. Now tap on the rate app, tap on it and give it a 5 star. Sorry. Let's give it 4. Review, let's say testing. It's actually optional. And tap on submit. Let's just submit. Go back and select start free trial. Tap on it. Now I need to insert my credit card so that we can start the free trial. Come on, that's ridiculous. And we have invite 10 friends. For me, I already concluded that this app is not working. Why should I ask to insert my credit card before starting the free trial? But you promised this service is free. Why should I have to do that before claiming the 100 GB? For me, I consider this credit card submission as a what? A red flag for me. So automatically, this is not free. Even if it's provide a service at the end of the day, it's not free. Why should I ask to provide my credit card? Now let's move to the next app to see what it's actually out for us. Now tap on daily internet data and tap on continue. They are asking for your name, right? Let me just input my name, Junior MJ, and tap on next. Country. I love these questions. Country and what? Network provider. Let me just use this one. This is my network provider and tap on next. Let's see. And they're asking for my phone number. I can see some green lights here, and my phone number is 3141. Tap on start earning. What is this? Start earning. Spin to win 300 points. Daily check-in. Come on. Math quiz. Watch video to earn. So now they are telling me I need to earn points. I think I will have to use that point to what? Purchase my data. I don't know how to use it, but like this is what I'm insinuating. Now let's continue. Spin and win. Let's just spin and win. Let's see what they have for us. Spin win and see. Let's see. Congratulations, you have won 150 BTS, which is points. Okay, we just earn 150 points after the spinning and win, right? But They are not showing the redeem. They are not showing me redeem my reward, right? So totally this, like, come on, these apps. Why people are creating this type of apps? Like, you are just trying to deceive people out there. Actually, these apps are not working. Yeah, for sure. Because some of these tax they are giving me, this is not what I'm here for. I'm here to use a free internet connection, right? They promise to provide a free internet. Why should I spend to get points and later redeem my reward? What is that? Come on. This is actually a red flag. I say no to them. These apps are not working. And make sure you never made a mistake of what, providing information of your credit card on that first app they requested to what, provide your credit card for free trial. Make sure you never do that. This video is actually for educational purpose and to raise awareness and to see if some of these apps actually deliver according to the promise. But we all see through the practical, none of them actually pass the test. Now, if you find this video useful, like the video, comment, and also share to your loved ones so that they also can get the awareness of these apps. And make sure you don't forget to subscribe to this channel and go through my channel. I have posted a lot of educational videos I think you needed. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.